It has been 50 years since we opened up for business. Did our namesakes Jack Hall and Hugh Foreman ever imagine that their once fledgling practice would one day be celebrating 50 years of engineering accomplishments? Could they have predicted that during the next 50 years, Hall & Foreman would plan, engineer, and survey projects involving more than 250,000 homes? Tens of millions of square feet of office buildings, industrial facilities, and retail centers? Including those major retailers opening their first stores in California? Thousands of miles of roadways and other infrastructure? And scores of schools and college campuses? Could they have known that by the year 2011, the Hall & Foreman presence would be indelibly stamped throughout Southern California and beyond?
Did they foresee that their company would successfully transition its ownership and leadership multiple times over the next 5 decades? Or that the firm would expand its markets and geographic presence through a series of strategic mergers with other leading consulting firms?
Could they have imagined that their company over the years would employ hundreds of professionals? And that while some would build their careers with Hall & Foreman, others would go on to success with agencies, other professional firms, and client organizations, each attributing their experience with the firm as having a profound influence on their professional lives.
Could they have envisioned that Hall & Foreman's people, culture, projects, and business operations would earn numerous accolades, honors, and awards, locally as well as nationally?
The Hall & Foreman enterprise has persevered for 50 years, achieving not only success, but achieving something even more important and elusive: significance.
Hall & Foreman has many significant claims to fame.
We were one of the first OC-based engineering firms to open an office in the Inland Empire.
Hall & Foreman designed the Lion Country Safari Parks, built in California, Texas, and Japan.
The firm was involved in Flower Street Lofts, the first for-sale urban infill housing project in downtown Los Angeles in decades, which kicked off the area's redevelopment efforts. Since then, Hall & Foreman has gone on to provide professional services to thousands of units in urban areas within greater Los Angeles.
Hall & Foreman also has some notable celebrity connections.
We performed surveying, subdivision design, and mapping for the property in San Clemente that served as the Western White House for President Richard Nixon.
Diane Keaton, Jack Hall's daughter, attended Hall & Foreman events in the early days.
Our link letter of Kids Say the Darndest Things fame worked with us on projects at the University of California at Irvine.
Our impressive past has built an inspiring legacy. Adding to the remarkable legacy that is Hall & Foreman's is our ability to create sustainable relationships. We do that by ensuring our clients achieve their project goals.
This philosophy has been the foundation for many prestigious projects, and it guides our efforts today on our current flagship projects, such as
Hollywood Park Tomorrow in Inglewood,
The Ranch Plan Master Plan Community in South Orange County,
St. Mary's Medical Center in the High Desert,
the Lugonia redevelopment in Redlands,
and various public works projects across the Southland.
Building relationships and building a better world are part of the Hall & Foreman DNA. That's why HFI is highly involved in volunteering and making a difference in our communities.
"50 years ago today, we opened for business. Today, Hall & Foreman's influence is undeniably present across Southern California. Our strong past lays the foundation for a strong future. Through our current projects, clients, and staff, Hall & Foreman is ready to design and build the next 50 years.